Perfect. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony Ronings. I'm back with another video. I don't think they can see you. Yeah, my daughter want to be seen again on camera. Today I'm making some chicken. What is it called, baby? Crispy chicken salad. Something a little healthy for the day, okay? What you're going to need, you're going to need a big pack of chicken strips. Look at this. Look at that goddamn price. Look at that. $16 goddamn dollars. Alright. I can't help the cuss. Look at these damn prices, bro. For this pack of chicken strips. And I also got a little pack. And this little pack. Look at this little pack. Look at that little pack. For $12 darn dollars. Look at that. Look at that. $12 for a little pack of chicken tenders. Wow. Alright, but anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Also have some the salad. You know, we got the spinach. We got the what is this? The angel sweet tomatoes. We got some more tomatoes down there. And we have the romaine lettuce. And I don't know if I'll be using this today. This is turkey ham. Well, not turkey. I said turkey ham. What the hell is turkey ham? Honey ham. And I also have some turkey in there. But we probably don't use that if we're using the chicken. So we probably don't use that. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button for your boy. Share, comment, all that good stuff. It helps out so much. I still didn't get my hair cut, as you can see. But I did put some leave-in conditioner. Yeah, look at those curls. Look at those curls, boy. Look, don't judge me. I'm getting my hair cut soon. I probably do it myself because I'm cheap. It'll save me $25 and do it myself. But anyway, enjoy the video. And let's get to cooking. What I like to do when I start out, I like to always wash and clean whatever meat I'm using, okay? So let's see with these chicken tenders. You see, let me give you an example because I know, like this chicken tender. You see this? You see this little thing right here? I like to cut them out just like that. Bam. And I wash it and get all this stuff off like this. I wash, get all that stuff off. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I do, the process that I do when I start cooking. You can see that, cut that off. I don't know what that is, but I don't like it in my food. So I'll cut that out like so. Bam. And there we go. Now I'm going to wash it and I'm going to fry it up. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all really quick on what I do as far as cleaning my chicken and all that stuff. Hope y'all can see that, okay?
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all, I cleaned all the chicken, washed it off, and cut all that dumb stuff out. I got some garlic salt here. I'm just going to show y'all a couple. Alright, I'm just going to do a couple. Get some. And we got the seasonal. Alright, voila. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, I got some regular flour today, alright? Just some flour, regular flour. Alright, let me just show y'all. You're going to get some in the oil. I said the oil. The flour. I'm just going to lay that down. Should have been a little bit more sizzle than that, but we can work with that. Alright, y'all, these been cooking for about 5 minutes, so we just gonna go ahead and flip these bad boys. Alright, y'all, I'm finally done dinner. It's hot as hell. Okay, look, these are all the chicken strips. Well, there's some that's on the plate already. And I also have my salad here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cutting up my chicken strips so I can put on my salad. Look like this. Look at that salad, bruh. That's a chicken salad. Well, yeah, crispy crispy chicken salad. Y'all know that look good. So let me start making my plate because I'm hungry and hot. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a good amount, and I'm gonna just cut these bad boys like straight down, just straight down the line, like so. And that is hot as hell. Woo! No. Woo! 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 All right, that's what that's what I'm gonna work with right there. Okay, and I'm just gonna throw this on my salad. All right, y'all. I'm gonna throw this on here. Like so, and I'm dropping shit. No, I don't need help. Never. I'm gonna grab some more chicken strips because I like a lot of chicken strips in mine. Okay.
Make sure you grab enough greens.
I do.
Yeah, right.
All right, and I'm gonna grab some tomatoes. Throw some tomatoes on there, like so. Bam. I'm gonna throw some cheese on that bad boy. And there we go. I am done. I'm just gonna add some ranch.
You want bacon bits?
Nah, I don't. Nah,
I like bacon bits.
me. And I'm gonna add the ranch, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. All right, y'all. That's my dinner for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Chickens, ranch, salad,
Crispy chicken.
crispy chicken, salad. Yeah. Enjoy the video. Peace.